In primetime news this evening, Labour Ministry calls emergency meeting as NWC workers threaten to go on strike. COP commits suspected suicide out west, and tributes continue for late veteran broadcaster Winston Williams. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Also this evening, live action from the National Stadium. We'll have all the 200 meters finals at the J3A's Puma Junior and Senior Track and Field Championship. There's also weather in this newscast, so stay with us. Details right after this break.